this time we're going to do a power stall. Basically means that we're coming to land in landing configuration, and basically we're going to stall the aircraft in landing configuration, and then we're going to recover. Again, as we recover from any stall, it's going to be standard stall recovery, which is control come forward, full power, right rudder, at a safe indicated airspeed, which is no buffeting, no stall burner, level the wings, and then ease out of the dive. Okay, so we're at 3,500 feet. Just going to turn the Helibug so we get a reference. There you go, or we can get an outside reference. Again, we're going to set up. We've done a clearing check, Hazel check, all the TPs in green. We've got our mixtures rich, fuel pump on, landing light on, strobe lights on, and the carb is off. So we're going to do a setup now for a power off stall. So, set up for landing configuration, so power is 1700. Maintaining altitude. Watching the speed come down, make sure we're within a wide arc. So speed check and 3 stage flaps. 1, 2, and 3. We're now going to remain here. We're looking for a speed of 65 knots. Cut up 65 knots. Gently push the nose over. So we're going to maintain 65 knots using pitch. And then we're going to watch our VSI, which is our vertical speed indicator. And we're going to looking for about 500 feet a minute at 65 knots. The trim for this should be the same as trim as straight level at 90 knots. So there we have it, 65 knots, 500 feet a minute. So at 3,200, we're going to recover. So basically it's going to be gently pull the power off, raise the nose, and on this time it's going to be incipient stall, the first sign of a stall. We're going to recover. So here we go, 3,200, pull the power off, gently raise the nose, keeping your bug. Stall, so control come forward, full power, right rudder, drag flap away. Speed 63, up we come. Looking for positive rate, we've got positive rate 1, positive rate 2. We're coming back up, we lost about 100 feet there. Remember, looking for minimum controls, and we're climbing out. Now we've got 25 degree flaps out. We're going to maintain 25 degree flaps on our Helibug until we're 200 feet clear of obstacles. Maintaining we're coordinated by keeping the ball in center. Okay, so we're 200 feet clear of obstacles now. So next stage of flaps away, so with that 10 degree flaps, watching the speed come up to 70 knots, but the knots still climbing. So there you go, another stage of flaps away. Looking now for 79 VY, and we're going to climb back up to 3,500 feet. Maintaining our Helibug.